June is Healthy Home Month, and joining us on AM Buffalo with some healthy home tips is Erie County Commissioner of Health, Dr. Gail Burstein.
Yes, all month. June is Healthy Home Month. So it's a great opportunity to kind of reassess what the situation is our home. And we want to look at, first of all, like what repairs could be made, base of the home, the roof, the walls, the ceiling, electricity and plumbing. And then also we want to check what kind of improvements that we can make to make the home safer and help people avoid like slips and falls.
What do you do though if it's not your house, you're renting, and you have a landlord who's not keeping the house as safe as they could, and you're putting in requests but they're landing on deaf ears? What can someone do in those circumstances?
We can get involved if there's a child in the home with elevated blood lead levels, and we find that the residents of the home live in a home that has a lot of lead exposure, like lead paint walls that are cracking, or windows that need to be repaired. And in that case, we can make recommendations to the landlord, and then do enforcement. We could actually take them to housing court, and we've been successful in working with the courts to get those repairs done. In Erie County, like fires are a big hazard, so people want to make sure that their smoke detectors are working, and people should probably replace their battery on older smoke detectors twice a year. Now there's actually newer smoke detectors that have a battery with a 10-year life warranty, and so those are things that you can think about upgrading, and then you won't have to worry about testing your smoke detector batteries. You want to make sure that tools that can cause fires, like lighters and matches and candles, are out of the reach of children, and that I want to make sure you have at least one fire extinguisher in the home, and that the adults and older children know how to use it in case they need it. And then we have to think about keeping our home safe, just in terms of medication and hazardous waste around the home. So with medicines, you want to make sure that the medicines are locked up and out of reach of children. And if you have old drugs that have expired, we have kiosks throughout Erie County where you can safely dispose of your drugs, and you can look for them on our website at erie.gov/health. We want to make sure that chemicals like bleaches and other toxic material, hazardous material is locked up. So, those are all things that we can do just to, make sure that our homes are safe and people don't suffer preventable injuries in the home.